I think one more maybe example that comes to mind that is even more extreme than that is when I was building menu gen. So menu gen is this idea where you come to a restaurant, they give you a menu, there's no pictures usually, so I don't know what any of these things are. Usually, like 30% of the things I have no idea what they are, 50%. So I wanted to take a photo of the restaurant menu and to get pictures of what those things might look like in a generic sense. And so I vibe coded this app that basically lets you upload a photo, and it does all this stuff, and it runs on Vercel, and it basically re-renders the menu, and it gives you like all the items, and it gives you a picture that it uses an image generator for to basically OCR all the different titles, use the image generator to get pictures of them, and then shows it to you. And then I saw the software 3.0 version of this, which blew my mind, which is literally just take your photo, give it to Gemini, and say, use Nano Banana to overlay the things onto the menu. And Nano Banana basically returned an image that is exactly the picture of the menu that I took, but it actually put into the pixels, it rendered the different things in the menu. And this blew my mind, because actually all of my menu gen is spurious. It's working in the old paradigm. That app shouldn't exist. Yeah, the software 3.0 paradigm is a lot more kind of raw. It just, your neural network is doing more and more of the work, and your prompt or context is just the image, and the output is an image, and there's no need to have any of the app in between. So I think that people have to kind of like reframe, not to work in the existing paradigm of what things existed and just think about it as a speed up of what exists. It's actually like new things are available now. And going back to your programming question, it's not even, I think that's also an example of working in the old mindset, because it's not just about programming and programming becoming faster. This is more general information processing that is automatable now. So it's not just even about code. So previous code worked over kind of like structured data, right? And you write code over structured data. But like, for example, with my LLM knowledge bases project, basically you get LLMs to create wikis for your organization or for you in person, et cetera. This is not even a program. This is not something that could exist before, because there was no code that would create a knowledge base based on a bunch of facts. But now you can just take these documents and basically recompile them in a different way and reorder them and create something that is new and interesting as a reframing of the data. And so these are new things that weren't possible. And so I think this is something that I keep trying to get back to, as to not only what can we do that existed that is faster now, but I think there's new opportunities of just things that couldn't be possible before. And I almost think that that's more exciting.